Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the life of an extraordinary inventor whose genius kept trains running, industries booming, and even gave us a phrase still used today, the real McCoy. So buckle up your seatbelts, or should I say grease up your gears, because we're talking about Elijah McCoy. Now imagine this. It's the late 1800s. Long before electric cars and airplanes, steam engines were the kings of transportation. Trains chugging across continents, ships sailing oceans, factories humming with power. But here's the problem. These mighty machines needed oil to keep their parts moving smoothly. And guess what? Every time they ran out of lubrication, they had to stop. Stop dead in their tracks. Can you imagine how frustrating that was? Elijah McCoy was born in 1844 in Canada to parents who had escaped slavery via the Underground Railroad. From a young age, he showed a knack for mechanics. His family moved back to the U.S., and despite facing racial discrimination, Elijah pursued his passion for engineering. He traveled all the way to Scotland at just 16 years old to study mechanical engineering, an incredible feat during that time. But when he returned to America, finding work as a black engineer wasn't easy. Instead of giving up, Elijah took a job as a fireman and oiler for the Michigan Central Railroad. This hands-on experience gave him first-hand knowledge of the problems steam engines faced, and it sparked an idea. In 1872, Elijah invented something revolutionary, the automatic lubricator. This device allowed oil to flow continuously into the engine while it was still running. No more stopping every few miles to manually oil the machinery. Trains could go farther, faster, and smoother than ever before. This invention didn't just help trains, it transformed entire industries. Factories, ships, and other machines adopted his technology. Suddenly, productivity skyrocketed and downtime plummeted. People couldn't get enough of Elijah's invention. Competitors tried copying his design, but none worked as well as the original. That's where the phrase, the real McCoy, comes from. Because if it wasn't made by Elijah McCoy, it simply wasn't good enough. Now let me share some fun facts about Elijah McCoy. Did you know he held over 50 patents in his lifetime? 50! Not only did he improve lubrication systems, but he also invented improvements for ironing boards, lawn sprinklers, and even shoe soles. Talk about a jack of all trades. And here's my favorite part. The phrase, the real McCoy, became famous not just for his inventions, but also for his reputation. When buyers wanted authenticity, they'd ask, "Is this the real McCoy?" Meaning, is this the genuine article? Is this top-notch quality? Thanks to Elijah, those words are now part of our everyday language. Elijah McCoy proved that innovation knows no boundaries. Not race, not circumstance, not obstacles. He turned challenges into opportunities and left a legacy that changed the world forever. So next time you hear someone say, "That's the real McCoy," think of Elijah McCoy, the man who kept the wheels turning, literally and figuratively. He reminds us that great ideas can come from anyone, anywhere. And sometimes they change history without us even realizing it. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and chase your own big ideas. You might just invent the next real McCoy.